Hi, in this tutorial, we will learn how to create WordPress posts using the Claude API. We will also see how to integrate it with any module to change the original content. Under the WordPress Automatic Plugin menu, click New Campaign. Select AI as the campaign type. Set your desired keyword. Move down till you get the AI box. Set the AI provider to Claude so the plugin can use it for generation. Hit the Publish button. Now the campaign is published and is ready for processing. Click the Run Now button. A new post was generated successfully. Now let's modify the prompt for content generation to include images. Add the instruction for the model to add images. Hit the Update button. Click Run Now. A new post was generated successfully. Images were added to the post content. Let's check how to integrate AI with any other models, like RSS feeds. Create a new campaign. Select Feed as the campaign type. Paste the RSS feed link. Now, let's rewrite the title and generate a new one based on the original. Write your desired prompt. Hit the Update button. A new post was generated successfully. Let's compare the title. A new title was generated successfully. We can also rewrite, summarize, or even generate new content from the original content. Just add your desired prompt like we did with the title. You can even integrate it with any other campaign type, like Google News, for example. Thank you for watching. The plugin link is in the description.